Oh my god. She's making the best use of my brushes. Your girl got featured in a magazine today. Hey friends, it's week 2 of the weekly vlogs. I wanted to start this vlog with a really happy news that we hit 8,000 subscribers on my channel, and I'm so happy about it. Thank you so much, you guys. I know it might not be a big deal for a lot of people, a lot of bigger influencers, but you guys know me. Every single time, even if I get like 100 more subscribers, it just makes me so happy. And like 8,000 is beyond my imagination. So I'm just so grateful to each and every one of you watching, and each and every one of you coming back to my channel over and over again. You guys just literally are the best. I was thinking of filming when I had a full face on, because I am going to film tonight. I'm also going to be filming a haul, which is very exciting. Sort of informative vlog in the sense that it's an international company. Why am I being so mysterious about it? By the time you see this vlog, it's going to be up. The haul is going to be up already. So I'm going to be filming a Colourpop haul. So I'm going to be doing a whole haul and explaining my experience with them and how I ordered, how I paid. All those things are going to be covered. So as usual, all the videos of this week are going to be listed down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And what else do we have going on this week? So I'll talk to you guys when I get ready for tonight and film for tonight. Let's see, I'm thinking of doing an Instagram live, but like I'm so awkward and I feel like nobody's going to come to watch me. So let's see how that goes. Okay guys, so this is what tonight looked like. I filmed 2 videos. I wanted to film 3 videos, but literally my head is pounding so badly that I need to go to sleep right now. And I'm just about to take my makeup off, because girls, do not go to sleep with your makeup on, because that's not cool. So I'm just going to go do that, and I'm going to take you guys with me. Should probably take my earrings off first, shouldn't I? Also, the swatches are from the Colourpop testing video, which will be up by the time you're seeing this vlog. So go watch that after this video. I would love if you could. I talk about how to order from Colourpop, and didn't talk about how to order from Colourpop. Oh my god, literally sat down and filmed the whole outro part again, and all the payments and stuff again, how to pay and everything like that on Colourpop. It was just, I have gone mental, my friends. Now I'm going to take my earrings off yet again. If any of you were wondering why do you film at such a weird hour, Khadeja, that's because my neighborhood is quite noisy and I would love to film in the sunlight, but there's just so much noise at every given time. Also, this highlight, do I see it? I don't know how I can show you, but you'll see in the pictures on Instagram where I really love it. So for my makeup remover and cleansing and stuff, I've been using this Boscia makeup makeup breakup cool cleansing oil. This isn't great for your eyes, but I love it for my face. So I'm just going to do my face really quickly first, and this does this fun thing. I'm just going to take like 1 squirt. Look, it just took the liquid lipstick off so quickly. It's lathering up a little bit. And I can literally feel it breaking my makeup down. I'm just going to take 1 cotton pad and just douse it with my micellar water. This is the Garnier micellar water. Did you guys see how it took the liquid lipstick off? Like, no joke. Now to get my eye makeup off, I use this extra virgin olive oil. Basically douse my face yet again in this. I'm going to take the Boscia again. I got this from Sephora, and I got the mini one just to try out, because cleansers can be a bit tricky to work with. I'm sorry for the water. but I really like it, and it's perfect for sensitive skin too. Literally just melts makeup away. I wish you could see the water right now. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my face wash. This is the one I'm currently using. This is the L'Oreal Pure Exfoliating Clay face wash. This is the red one. The other one they had was the mattifying one, and the girl don't need mattifying, so I picked this one up. Then I doused my face with rose water, slathered on some Nivea Soft, and crashed in my bed. You slept for a while, didn't you? Yeah, it's pretty late now, and we have this little monster taking over my desk, and it's just Wednesday, so a regular Wednesday in my life. This is what it looks like. Inaya? Inaya? She's making the best use of my brushes. So we're just about to paint Inaya's nails. We painted her hands and we're painting her toenails now. She loves it. She requested it. I didn't say it. They got it? कितनी पिक्चर लगाई क्या लगाई कितनी पिक्चर ना दादी में कितनी पिक्चर लगाई हाँ चो ये हिलो ना हिलो ना दादी में लो equally twist हाँ po magpupunta pesa Futo lang, hin bed me. Ne. Po. Lago. Ne balik play mo de et bed me ufudio. Ufudio. Po. Tatio. A copy ke ne balik play a copy ke dojo. Oh po. Damache. Doctor ke लिखा है वो? ने da idea mandi new bed. Dijo. हाँ? Dijo. Oh wow. Did you में नए बारिश लगा? दाने में नए बारिश को लगा बेबी. हिन में? हाँ. लगाई था? नहीं मैं बेबी करूँगी. वधिक लगाया हिन में? हाँ. ताजु नाखूनी कौन है? हाय. कट्टे से डोया के? नहीं. पैर कटान दिए. नू कटान है वो ताजा. नू के कटिंगा. ठीक है? We have a satisfied customer right here. ठीक है ना? सुटा पे लगो. Hands से करो. My hands are full of nail polish. ना ठीक है. Hands से करो पिज़्ज़ा. Look at them. So pretty. She ran away. Hey friends, it's Friday. Your girl got featured in a magazine today. It's an online magazine called Dergi Pakistan. Please ignore the weird colors on my laptop screen, but look at this, Pakistani YouTubers and what makes them popular. Go click on this, your girl's right there. Right, here we go. Look at this, look at all the famous people, and look at me. Where am I? There I am, look at this. How cute. I'll leave a link to this article down below in the description bar if you want to go check it out. But this is so cute and this is so nice. And it's really because all of the love you guys show me is just amazing and beyond anything. So thank you so much guys for being so supportive and loving. And I would love it if you could spread this love as well and share my channel. So thank you for being so kind to me ever since starting my journey. And I really want to do a video helping those of you guys who want to start a YouTube channel, because I started without any support. I mean, no matter how cliche that sounds, I literally did not have any support from anybody, obviously apart from my family, but other than that I didn't know any famous people. I'm not a professional at all of this. I worked my way up from scratch. So I believe every one of you can do it if you have the passion for it. Just don't get in it just because you're looking at the perks, because you won't get the perks right up in the beginning. Nobody's going to start paying you thousands and thousands of dollars. I'm not getting thousands and thousands of dollars, and it's going to take a lot of time and a lot of effort, but if you're persistent then things will come around. और मतलब आपको उतना ही मिलेगा जितना आप input दे रहे हो. तो always know that, and I'm definitely going to make a video completely covering all the topics that you guys have been asking me, जैसे कि what camera do I use to film my videos, how do I film my videos, lighting and everything like that, and how to phrase them and things like that. I mean, I'm not saying that I'm the best at this or I've done the most and I'm just so amazing, but like I'm sure कि मैं किसी न किसी की मदद कर सकती हूँ. My point is only that you don't need to hang out with famous people to do something with your life and to share your passion with the world, you know. That's the point of this whole spiel. Then that, what is up with you guys today? I really need to study. I'm studying for this exam. That is what I also wanted to talk to you guys about, that I also have an exam in February, so I probably won't be posting that much, but I am sure कि आप लोग समझ सकते हैं, और even if I'm posting one video per week, आप लोग मुझे उतना ही प्यार दिखाएंगे जितना आप अभी तक दिखाते आए हैं. And yes, I'm also incorporating Urdu, trying to incorporate Urdu in my vlogs, because as you guys know, my mother tongue is Sindhi and my sort of work language in a sense is English. I don't mean it any बुरे तरीके से, मैं नहीं कहना चाह रही, but it's just that I just don't speak Urdu that much, but I can definitely incorporate it for you guys. So that's it for Friday. I'll see you guys in a bit. That was just me making my breakfast. And does this happen to you guys as well? I have this invisible wall in front of me. I'm like, nobody talk to me. I'm just going to feed myself first and then we're going to have a conversation. So this is going to be the end of this vlog. And today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for being so awesome. And keep on commenting with hashtag notification squad. I'd love to feature every single one of you guys. Also, I just wanted to show you guys, because I said that I live in a very noisy neighborhood. It's just not the neighborhood. It's actually these friends up here as well. Like, look at them. And you thought that was enough? No, there's more. So my dad loves birds. That's why we have so many of them. I mean, I can literally fit in this. It's that big. Like, Khadeja for reference, okay? This is so freaking big. I actually put these things here because nobody else could fit in. So I went in from that small door and put those in. That's a fun little story time for you guys. But I'm just going to end this video right here, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.